Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a triple pullback. Knowing how to do a triple or an arm jive triple would be really useful, and doing something like a basket pullback familiarity would be good with that. I'll put links to those in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to find them if you need to. So jumping straight in, it looks like this. Comes off a travelling return, it goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1. So let's break that down. We started off left to right. We started with the travelling return, so we went back. We did the travelling return. We dragged the hand to get 2 hands. We walked the lady backwards for 1 and 2. So 2 counts of walking, 3 steps. We now start the lady coming back. So guys have ended up forwards on the left, ladies have ended up back on the right. We bring the lady forwards for 2 steps. 1, 2. Guys are getting out of the way to the right. We're going to send the lady in a return direction. The left hand is going down. The right hand is coming up. So one folds behind the back, one folds across the chest. We get the lady 360 degrees round. She heads forwards and we stop it from going too far as the guys head over to right. We then bring the lady straight back. There's your pull back. And as the lady comes back, the arms unwind and you just step in to face the lady at the end of it all. So let's do the same thing from this side. So we go back, 1, travelling return, 2, going back, 3 and 4, walking forwards, 5 and turn 6, blocking 7, pull back 8 and face 1. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, triple, pull back. It's a back, over, walk and walk, walk and turn, block, pull back and look. And that's the whole thing. Hope you find that one useful and works well for you out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.